Hello guys, welcome to the Web Epic channel. In this video, we'll be looking at how we can create multi-vendor product feeds. Now please note that for us to be able to use this functionality, we need to install third-party plugins. So let's go ahead and look at one of these plugins. So right now, this plugin is called Dokkan. It's basically a WooCommerce multi-vendor marketplace. So we're going to go ahead and download this and get this installed in our website. So I have installed the plugin in our website. What a multi-vendor plugin like this allows you to do is essentially allow different vendors to sell under one website. So as you can see here in the dashboard, you can see all the different vendors you have, the sales that you have earned, and also the commission that you might have earned. You also have graphs like this here to give you more information. Now let's go into settings and look at the other options that they have. You can set up the vendor store URL here. You can put up a logo, set up terms and condition, and the number of product that it shows up. But right now, we're just going to go inside vendors. And as you can see, you already have one default vendor here. I'm going to add a new one. Let's add a few different vendors. So right here, you can put up a picture if you want to and a banner, but I'm just going to keep this simple. I'm going to go ABC. Store 1, and you can set up the URL as well if you wanted to, and a phone number. I'll just keep this simple. Store 1 at, let's say, gmail.com. And you also have to create a user, and once a user is created and you generate a password, the vendor is automatically sent an email about their account. Store 1 user. And I'm going to go next. If you want, you can fill these up. I'm going to keep this empty for now. Payment option, you fill it up as well. You go create vendor. There you go, voila, you have successfully created a vendor. Let's go add another one. So I'm gonna go A, B, C, D, say store 2 and store 2 at gmail.com and store 2 user. Let's send them an email as well. Next, create vendor. Boom. So right now we've created two extra vendors, store 1 and store 2. Let's go ahead and check how we can use these vendors and assign them against products. Okay, we have created our vendors. Now it's time to go ahead and activate them. You can go ahead and do that by clicking on this little status toggle bar. Once we have done that, now what we want to do is make sure our products are assigned to a particular vendor. So let's jump in and look at products. Under products, let's choose the winter basic hoodie. Let's give this store 1 update. Let's do a few more. Let's say the short sleeve hoodie is also under store 1. Now the admin is basically allowed to make changes to any store because, well, it is the admin, right? But in this case, I'm going to assign it to store 1. Now let's say store 2 is selling lady shoes. So let's go quick edit and change this to store 2 and update. Okay, now we are ready to go as all of these products have been assigned a vendor. Now let's jump into the CTX feed plugin, trying to create a feed and see how we can do it for each individual vendors. Now under our CTX feed plugin, let's go create a new feed. Click on make feed. Let's choose the country as United States. Template, let's keep it as Google Shopping. File name vendor 1. Let's keep everything as it is, and here we have this extra option where you get to choose the vendor. So I'm going to choose store 1. Open accessories, update and generate feed. Boom. Now that it's been updated, let's download it and look at the file. Now if we look into the feed file generated, we can see that it has only printed all the products available under store 1. So we've got the winter long sleeve hoodie, we've got the winter short sleeve hoodie, and then we have the winter basic hoodie. That's all the product it has brought forward. Now let's test store to out. So let's go back to our feed and make the necessary changes. Let's go back into our feed file. Let's change the name from vendor 1 to vendor 2. Change this to store 2. If you want, you can also choose multiple stores just like this, but in this example we're just going to keep it to store 2. Let's do that. Update and generate feed. Once the feed has been generated, let's download it and have a look. Now since you have chosen store 2, we can see that the only product that is showing up is ladies shoes, as expected. So there you go guys. This is how you can set up multiple vendors and create your product feed from there. If you have any questions, you're welcome to reach out to us at support@webapppic.com. I hope everybody has found this video useful. Please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I hope everybody has a good day. Thank you very much.